Hello, math learners. So, let us proceed to lesson 2, and that is all about the limit laws. So, where is it? So, limit laws. So, last video in basic calculus, I already discussed the introduction, such as the limits of algebraic functions and graphs. Okay. So, it turns out limit laws are used as an alternative way in solving the limit function without using the table of values and graphs. Okay, medyo madali-dali naman. The following different laws that can be applied in various situations to solve for the limit of a function is in the next slides. Okay. So, what are those? So, now, first law, the limit of constant itself if k is any constant. So your formula, if the function of k, so that is equal to k, like this. So limit of 5, so it has 5. The second one, if the first law indicates the constant is here, there, so in the second law, the limit given is c. Okay, so example, so 7, ito yung result. Okay. Meron tayong pag-a-applyan nito. Kaya mo kayo mag-alala. So, for remaining theorems, so let f of x is equal to L. So, ito tandaan niyo, first function is L, then the second one is f. Okay. Excuse me. Next, constant multiple. So, the limit of constant k times the function is equal to the product of the constant, and that is the function, its function limit. Okay, as you can see, this is the formula, and then the limit of function is equal to k times L. Okay, tabihan natin. So, let's say, limit of function is equal to 3. Let this is equal to 3. Okay, so limit of 5 times function. So, ibaliktad nyo lang yan. So, that 5 times the limits. And then, where this is equal to 3. So, 5 times 3 is 50. Di ba madali lang? So, medyo lag. So, next, law number 4 is addition theorem. So, I know you already encountered kapag ka ganito, di ba sa sigma notation, pinaghihiwalay nyo. Ganon din dito. So, we have limit function of f of x and then the limit of g of x. So, L plus m. Okay? So, example. So, let the first function is 3 and then the second one is 5. So, yan, so, ito na yung ano natin. Then, pinaghiwalay natin, bukod, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Sa subtraction, kasalungat lang. Instead of addition, that will become subtractions. And ito, as you can see, our example, so 7 minus 5. So, first function is 7 and then the second one is 5. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. Next, multiplication theorem. So, that is multiplication instead of addition and subtraction. Ganun lang. And 7, so, syempre, pag-iwalay lang natin as usual. So, see, again, the first limit is 7 and then the second one is 5. So, ayan, pinag-iwalay natin. So, 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Next theorem. So, as you can see, pinaghiwalay lang din natin. So, syempre, of course, m is not equal to 0 or else it will be undefined. Okay. Okay pa yung L mag-equal sa, sa 0. That will be 0. But if m is equal to 0, that will be undefined. So, if limit function is 9 and then the limit function of g of x is equal to 3. So, this is it. And where the first 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Pwede naman siya mag-fraction kung fractional talaga ang results. And since this is 9 is divisible by 3. So that's it. So you got the exact number. Answer. So, kapag naman ganito, so since ito, ang pinaka-ano natin, di syempre, magiging overall yan. So, L raised to P power. Like this. So, let's say, this is the function. So, let the limit function is equal to 3. So, it will becomes 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9 because 3 is raised to squared power. Kapag ganito naman, gano'n lang din, kabaliktaran lang ng power. So, magigpad lahat yan. So, ayan. If limit function is equal to 8, then the cube, you are going to find the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Okay. Actually, continuous ang ginagawa ko sa problem number in one presentation. Because this presentation consists of 2 lessons. Kung na-browse niyo na yung calculus classroom ko na makikita niyo sa aking website, 2 lesson ang nilagay ko sa isang presentation. Find the limit function of here. So, now, hindi lang po first property, hindi lang second law rather. So, you are going to use your strategy how you can apply rather the laws. So, first law, so apply the addition law theorem. So, yan, pinag-iwalay natin. So, is negative, so negative. Excuse me. Next, apply power theorem in first term because it has raised to squared. So, magiging ganyan yan. Next, apply multiplication theorem on the second term since variable has a constant value. So, yan, magiging natin. Apply the limit of x as approaches that c is equal to c. So, ano pong in-apply natin dito? We apply the second law here. Approaches. Diba? It has the second law. So, you are going to replace x to the value of the limits in the indicated limit. Okay? So, magiging ano yan? 4. So, okay. So, ngayon, so simplify. We are going to simplify. Apply the limit of a constant is constant at itself. Here. The first law. If you still remember. Ayan. Inalis lang natin yung limit, di ba? Now, you are going to solve it. 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 3 is 29. 16 plus 16 is 32. Minus 3 is 29. Okay. Next, let us proceed to another given. So, radical naman to. So, paano? Ayan. In-overall natin. Then, syempre, you're going to separate applying the subtraction theorem. So, sabi nga natin, in-apply na lang natin yung constant itself on the limit of x approaches c to equal to c. Ito yun. That x that you're going to become 2. Then, syempre, applying the second and first law in short. And simplify. So, square root of 64 is 8. Last given, what if you encounter this? So, first, you are going to factor first. Siyempre, fa-factor nyo to. Then, ngayon, yung magse-same. So, cancel. So, ito na lang yung matitira. Apply division theorem. So, ayan, pinaghiwalay natin, binukod. Apply addition theorem on the denominator. Since, addition. So, magkaiwalay. Next, apply the limit of a constant is the constant itself and the limit approaches. So, let x is equal to 3. And then the 2. So, syempre, in-apply lang natin yung first law. Okay, nabahing ako eh. Next, you're going to simplify. So, 3 plus 2. 5. Okay, so hindi mo kailangan pang hanapan ng LCD dito, di ba? So, well done.